Working this week up in North Georgia. I've got a group, Georgia Department of Natural Resources from the coast, land trust from down around Fayette County, a couple guys from the Audubon, a U.S. Forest Service retiree that manages a property around here. And it is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful site. You can see here down this ridge, there's a big open flat field back on the other side. A lot of forest management has been going on, and these folks are up here to learn a little bit more on saw safety and looking to maintain them a little better, be able to take and plan the events a little more. They don't do a whole lot of felling. They do mostly work with horizontal trees and also cleaning out areas of invasive species. But it's something where chainsaws are used. There's potential for injury. Planning processes, no matter what you're cutting, is something that we're having a great time up here. We've been felling some Virginia pines out of the top of this ridge, and we're creating some different storm scenarios for after lunch. We're going to get started on that, and I think it's going to be pretty interesting. It's going to be a good discussion and good learning situation.
I've got about 2 feet to 3 feet of side lean this way, and then I feel like there's a little bit of forward lean, so it does curve at the top. But yeah, I'll say 2.5 feet of side lean to the right and about a foot of forward lean. And,
Your escape?
My escape will be that way. And
Hinge?
notch will be here.
How much hinge?
How much hinge? I'm gonna go for about an inch
Okay.
of hinge.
Okay.
I'd say this is about a foot. So I'll go for an inch to an inch and a quarter.
Are you gonna board or are you gonna cut from the back?
I think I could cut from the back.
Okay.
So I'll cut from the back. Okay, so yeah, I'll cut from the back. Just straight cut and leave an inch to an inch and a quarter of hinge.